Okay, good morning, everyone. So again, I am with a new video, but the topic is same types of retail store businesses worldwide. Correct. So let's see what new things I have for you. See, remember this is just the idea I am sharing with you that what kind of a store you can open related to anything, nothing else. Okay. तो आज फिर से एक नए वीडियो के साथ मैं आ, आपके पास अपनी बातों को रखूंगा और बताऊंगा कि कितने प्रकार के रिटेल स्टोर होते हैं वर्ल्ड वाइड और क्या होता है उसमें कैसे करते हैं। करेक्ट। तो आपको अगर एक बेसिक आइडिया आ जाए कि भाई ऐसा भी बिजनेस होता है तो आप अपने एरिया में कर सकते हैं। ठीक। तो लेट्स सी। हमारा टॉपिक था फूड एंड बेवरेजेस, फैशन एक्सेसरीज, हॉबीज एंड इंटरेस्ट, रिलीजन एंड बिलीफ, होम एंड लिविंग, यूनिक, एक्सपीरियंशियल, हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस, एरिया स्पेसिफिक, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, स्पोर्ट्स एंड आउटडोर एंड सर्विसेज। और भी बहुत कुछ हो सकता है इफ यू सजेस्ट। सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दीज आर द बेसिक कैटेगरी where we can divide our entire retail community, retail business. Correct. What is retail? Where the consumer, the end user buys a product, nothing else, our services. Correct. So let's see today's topic. So services. So what kind of services businesses are there? See, let me tell you something. Huh? If you are selling any product physical, then you need a support function for that. That can be a services. Anything, anything in the world, there are two types of business. Either it's a product physical you can touch, or it's a service you can feel. That's how it works, as per my understanding. So what kind of services? Let's see. So event planning is too. Any event. It can be marriage, it can be religious, it can be political, anything. Travel store, no need to explain. Related traveling, phone repair store. Nowadays, very common, huh? You all are using mobile, correct? And you're watching my video on mobile. So you need a repair store, correct? It's a big industry now. Then computer repair store, printing services store, photo studio printing store, tailoring alteration stores, pet greeting boarding store, home cleaning services store, delivering ferry services store, then courier shipping store, financial services store, insurance store, real estate store, employment services store, marketing PR store, IT support store, web development store, graphic design store, consulting store. So remember, any kind of a business which you are giving in the form of product or in the form of service, that can be retail. So anything, whatever you are giving, where physical things are not involved, it's a service. Then translation services store, interpretation services store, personal shopping store, concise services store, event management store, wedding planning store, party planning store, corporate event store, social media management store, online marketing store. It can be online, offline, any services. So these are the services are available. Remember one thing. I'll give you an example so you can understand better. See, you have a home, right? Maybe two bedroom, kitchen, hall, bathroom, or a big building, or just like a palace you have, correct? But understand, whatever the material inside you have, correct? It's required service where humans labor involved, human time involved, machine involved, anything, correct? Then now next point you understand when you're surviving your life, you need a service. It can be medical, correct? It can be spiritual, correct? You need this service. And whenever you are doing something new in your life, you need a service, correct? So you need to run your mind what kind of a service you can give in your area. Now I'll tell you one more thing, very small thing. Nowadays, nobody reads newspaper, correct? So distribution of the newspaper became lesser. Newspaper itself is a product, physical, but newspaper supplying, delivering is become service. And take a milk, a very basic thing. Milk is a physical product. You can touch, correct? You can feel. But delivering to that milk packet to the particular home, it's called services, correct? And so that is how it work. Anything. Now I'll tell you, insurance. It's a financial services, correct? Whenever you are looking for the investment, you look for the advisor, you look for the company. They will suggest you based on your age, based on your requirement, based on your family target, and all the thing. They will suggest, sir, you go for this services. So, service is a very big, very big concept, and anything can be service. Yes, it can be emotional, physical, it can be spiritual, it can be religious, it can be based on a belief, it can be political, it can be country oriented, correct? Yes, it can be particular place oriented, it can be, natural, it can be related to nature, uh, anything. So the service is a very big part. See, I'll tell you one thing. If you uh, suppose you don't have money, you cannot do any business, correct? You just go in a particular place where no one is there to give to share the road direction and all the things. You just stand on the road and say, this is north, this is south, this way you should go. Then you'll reach to your destination. That is also service, and you can earn money. So there are many things under service. Remember this. If we talk, it will take at least 1 week, and topic will not get over. Okay. So remember, whatever the retail businesses are there, they require service. If you're buying a TV, correct? TV is a physical thing, will come to your home. But suppose it's not working, then what will happen? You need a repair job, you need a service. And so this is how it works. सो ये आज मैंने आपको रिटेल सर्विस के बारे में बताया कि सर्विस से संबंधित कितने स्टोर आप ओपन कर सकते हैं। तो बहुत सारा है। और याद रखिएगा कि आपके जीवन में जो भी चीज आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं फिजिकल तौर पे, उसके लिए सर्विस की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। वो चाहे आपका घर हो, फ्रिज हो, कूलर हो, एसी हो, या फिर आपके कुछ भी चीजें। कोई अगर आप मिल्क बाई कर रहे हैं तो मिल्क का सप्लायर हो सकता है, वो सप्लाई करता है, सर्विस देता है, करेक्ट? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ स्टोर्स which is related to service, anything related to your, आप कोई ड्रीम देख रहे हैं, आपका इमोशन है, कुछ भी आपके माइंड में जो भी आ रहा है, सब कुछ के लिए एक सर्विस स्टोर हो सकता है। ठीक, बट आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि आपके एरिया में कौन सा सर्विस स्टोर नहीं है, और वो वाला सर्विस स्टोर डालना है, बस, इससे ज्यादा नहीं। सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक्स टू एवरीवन। आई विल कम बैक विद द न्यू वीडियो, एंड प्लीज शेयर माय यू नो टॉक विथ अदर्स आल्सो। और अगर आपको मेरी बातें अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक द वीडियो एंड ऑल द थिंग। See, I'll not say that you are not doing and all the thing, but you're doing, but it will support to, you know, to have more knowledgeable uh, videos on YouTube. Nothing else. Thank you.